Hello students, today I am going to teach you the concept that is comparison of numbers. This video will tell us how we can easily compare any two numbers. Children, these are your two rules that we'll be following today for our examples. Rule 1 says to compare numbers with different number of digits. That means if two numbers with different number of digits are given, then the number which has more digits is greater of the two. Correct? Now rule 2, to compare numbers with the same number of digits. I'll be explaining you this rule later on. First we'll concentrate more on rule number 1. So as per our rule number, I have taken one example. This is your first number and this is your second number. This is the example which we'll be taking. Now among these, let's start with this number, that is 4893. Now 4893 and 642, these are your two numbers. Among these two numbers, which one is greater? So to compare these two numbers, we first count the number of digits in these two numbers. We need to count each digit, the number of digits we need to count. So let's check it. So in 4893, let's check 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 digits. So it's a 4-digit number. In 642, 1, 2, 3, it is a 3-digit number. So as you know that 4-digit number is greater than a 3-digit number, or you can say 4893 is greater than 642. So what we have done here, we compared these two numbers easily because number of digits were different. It had 4 digits and this one had 3 digits. So we applied which rule? We applied rule number 1. Correct? Now we'll move to rule number 2. Now we'll come to rule number 2. This rule I'll explain you in steps. In this rule, suppose we have to compare two numbers with the same number of digits. What we will do? Numbers with different number of digits we have already done. That is in rule number 1. Now when we have two numbers with same number of digits, how to compare? Correct? So for this we follow rule 2 but in steps. Now how to follow this through steps, I'll tell you. I'll be giving you an example first. Okay? So this is your example. I have taken two numbers here, that is 58793 and 58923. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-digit number again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is also a 5-digit number. Correct? Now, what we have to do here is, when we have two numbers with the same number of digits, how to compare? Correct? That is what we are going to know in this rule. So, we need to follow steps. So, our step number 1. Our step 1 says, first compare the digits at the leftmost place in both the numbers. Correct? Correct? So, we'll start from left side. Our left side here. So, the first number is 5. As you can see, here also we have 5. So comparison cannot be done here. Now we'll move to step number 2. Because why we are not able to compare? Because the numbers are same. Correct? So we'll move to step 2. Step 2 says, if first digits of both the numbers are equal in value, we'll compare the second digits from the left in both the numbers. So we compared 5 and 5 here. Now we'll move to the next second highest, that is in the thousands place we have here 8. Even in the second number we have 8 here. Again the comparison is not possible. Correct? So we'll move to step 3. step 3 says if the second digits from the left are equal, like we have taken 8, both were equal in value. So now we'll compare the third digits from the left in both the numbers, that is in the hundreds place, 7 and 9. Now as you can see, these two are unequal, means these are not of the same value. So we stop here, and as we all know, 9 is greater than 7. 9 is greater than 7. This means that this number, which number? This number, because we have 9 here and here we have 7. So that means 58923 is greater than 58793. Now just imagine if you get the same number again in this place, again in the same place, then step 4. This step 4 is we'll follow when we have, again if we have in the third place we have same numbers. So step 4 means continue until you come across unequal digits at the corresponding places. Okay, so this is step 4, correct? That means you need to keep on checking the digits till you get unequal digits. Okay, so as you know, as per the example which we have taken, and as per the example 2, when we have to compare number with the same number of digits, what we do, we compare them digit per digit according to its place. So here, as we have compared, we got this number as the greatest than 58793, correct? So children, these two rules can be followed for 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit and so on, or for any larger numbers.